Welcome to my vlog. I'm going to cook a chicken soup today. With this kondol in Philippines, we call it kondol in Philippines, and I think this is winter melon vegetable. And in Japan, they call it tongan. Tongan. Here, we're softening my native chicken inside this pressure cooker. So now I'm going to take off the skin of the kondol. Only this, my lamas. Yeah, this is the togan already skimmed. I'm going to slice all the garlic and the ginger and the onion. Now the chicken is almost going to soak. We have to wait for 15 minutes because this is native. Guys, ito na ngayon ang manok na native. The native chicken, pinalambot ko. It's soft now. Saan naman yung apoy mo? And now we have to fry the ginger. Then the next, ayan, garlic. Your fire is very slow. Slow and low. Eto lang mga kapatid. Togan, kondol, patula ang nagluluto. Put the garlic na. It's alright.
Konti pa.
Sana pala nirekta ko na lang kanina. Kaso lang hindi pwede din nagbalat ako ng...
Hindi lalasa pagka ano.
Pwede na yan brown. Tapos madagdagan ng pagka-brown when the garlic is make it brown. I have my assistant. The chef, Mr. Patula. There's, ano naman, low naman yung fire. Make it, strong.
Yan o.
Ano yun, yung balat? Pwede na itapon yung mamaya. Then add na. Yan. Oh, hila na fire.
Lakas.
Okay, we have to wait for until the ingredients will be brown, guys. Okay. Now we have to add the chicken. The native chicken. It's only 350 yen. Native chicken in Japan.
Ganda na lang palambot mo ah.
It's 25 minutes yan. From pressure cooker, 25 minutes. So we have to wait.
Lagyan na ng ano yan eh.
Ay, put na. Just the
Asin.
bit of salt. A little bit lang. And that's all.
Oh, baked in. Ayan.
Tatlong tak lang. 2, 3. Enough. not good for the health, you know. And this black pepper. Black pepper. Okay. What about the shokosho?
Lagyan pa.
Just a little bit. Ayan. A little bit of shokosho. It's the same pepper and salt. Japan Croatian. Okay. So, you don't want, ano? No
Water.
oyster sauce?
Huwag na, tubig na yan. Tapos pakuluan.
This one, oh. No need to water. Okay, guys. Let's check it. Now, kumulo na siya. You have to, adyan mo muna. Get the spoon inside here.
Malasa, sarap kasi tabang.
Wow! Tabang? Ito, add more, ano, shokosho. Okay, we add some shokosho to make it more, ano, a little bit salty one. Oh, salty, tama ba yung English ko? Okay, you add the tongan, the kondol. You have to add the vegetable, the winter melon vegetable. Okay. You shake it. Mix it. Halo-halo mo. Okay. Then you have to cover again. And yes. Almost done, baby. Okay. Cover.
Bantayan.
Okay, guys. We have to add my own style. We have to add this king chai. Yes, it's a king chai. Then we have to wait for a minute to make the vegetable soft, and that's all. We can have the chicken soup. Okay, we have to wait for, I think, 5 minutes. So we cover again, and that's all. Thank you. So this is it, my friends. Already done. Now we can eat our chicken soup. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you.